First, turn on your right blinker. Pull up right next to the car in front until your right side mirror aligns with their left side mirror. Many cars have a small triangular window on the back side door. We'll use the triangle window that's on your right side. Back up in a straight line until the back end of the neighboring car appears in the triangle window on your right. Then, turn your wheel to the right and you'll start backing into your spot. Continue backing in until the entire bumper of the car behind and the curb appears in your left side mirror. Then, straighten out your wheel, continue backing in straight until the right side mirror is aligned with the neighboring car's left taillight. Turn your wheel to the left. Continue backing in until you are parallel with the curb. Straighten out your wheel. Move a bit forward or backward as needed until you're in the middle of your spot. If you want to see another method for parallel parking, click here. Or if you want to learn how to change a tire, click here. To subscribe, click this button.